today a meatball and spaghetti. All right, that's what I need to do this dish. All right, and it's gonna taste very good. All right, you guys ready? But don't be scared. All right, guys, let's start. Okay, I have here a sharp meat. All right, 3.5 pounds. All right, I have spaghetti. I have 1 tablespoon of Italian season. I have 1 tablespoon of black pepper. Yes, if you guys like black pepper, right? I love it. So I have here the whole head of garlic, and I have 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Right, this salt. And I have 1 tablespoon of oregano. Yes, oregano. I love it. And I have here 3 small onions. And I have here 1.5 cups of breadcrumbs. Alright? To give the taste. And I have Parmesan cheese. Alright, guys? And I have here 2 eggs. Alright? And I have here 2 big Ragu sauce. Alright, guys ready? Alright, let's go. Let's start first with sharp meat. This is my sharp meat. Right. Very good. Right, over here. So after this I'm gonna start with eggs. 2 eggs. Let's go. Bingo. Alright. Another one. Bingo. All right. Now I'm gonna do my breadcrumbs. All right. All right. Now I'm having here my Italian season. Ooh, the colors start to get together. Look at that. I have here the black pepper. Bingo. I have here the garlic. All right. Garlic is always good. Always good, guys. Alright, so I have here my salt. Alright, I have here oregano. Right? Bingo. And now I have here my onions. Alright, bingo. Very good. Looks good, guys. Alright, now we're gonna mix together. Alright, we're gonna mix together. See? You can do it with your hands. My hands already was washed. I wash my hands very well before I touch meat and food. Alright? So we bring together. You got 2 hands, you can do that. Okay, guys. Now let's do the meatball. Alright? So you get some olive oil here with your hands. Alright? Not much, just a little bit. Alright? So get the meat and you roll, right? Look how nice it looks. Look how nice. Right? So you do again. Okay, so that's good. This is good because your hand doesn't get stick with meat, and also bring the flavor together too. All right. So it's not too big, right? It's medium size. You guys can see that. All right. So you take a little bit here and we start to roll. Look good, right? And it's gonna taste very good. All right, and you keep going, keep going. All right, keep going. That's right. It's fun, right? Okay, guys, keep it rolling, keep it rolling. Yes, keep rolling. Looks good, looking good, looking good, guys. All right. More. Don't be scared, guys. All right. Very good. All right. Looking good. Okay. Today I'm gonna make just this. All right. And I still have left over here, but this one I'm gonna use for something else. All right. Alright, now it's time to go to the oven. My oven is already preheat. Okay, 350. Alright guys, 350. Let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright, looks good. Looks good. Alright. Hey guys, it's time to check. Alright, let's check the meatballs. Alright? Let's go. Whoa, yes, it's ready. It's ready, guys. Alright. It's ready. So now I'm gonna make the garlic bread. Alright? So let's do that. First, the butter, right? And to paste the bread with butter, right? It's almost ready here. My butter, and right, very good. Looking good. Okay, close this. Alright, now I have here 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Alright, I have here 1 tablespoon of garlic, and I have 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. Alright, so let's start this first with garlic powder. Alright, so first split. Yeah, very good. Make the garlic dancing. Alright? Make the garlic. Alright, it's looking good, guys. Look at this. So you guys know it's you guys know the quantity, alright? It's 1 tablespoon, alright? So that's why I left here so you guys can see. And here also I have 1 tablespoon, alright? But I know the quantity already, so I know how to do it, but I left here so you guys know. Okay? But for me it's easier. It's easy for me to pour like this. Alright? Then take by hand. So I don't like much. You see? Alright. Very good. Looking good. The colors coming together. Alright guys, now it's my Parmesan cheese. Alright, so now I have 2 tablespoons. Alright, so I have 2 tablespoons. I know exactly the quantity. Me doing this way, okay? Alright. Very good. It's looking good. Wow, that is good. Alright. Very good. I have my water to cook, it's boiling, to cook the spaghetti. Alright guys, now I have here my sauce. Okay, it's a Ragu sauce tradition. I have 2 large containers. Alright, so now this container I'm gonna just pour here. That's 1. Alright, that's 1. And alright, that's 1. This is another 1. Sure. Very good. Alright. Don't be scared. Don't be scared, guys. Alright. So now I have my spaghetti. Alright, so now what you do is just pour there, stir a little bit, right? Very good. And that's good. Right? So next step. So I'm gonna take this. Here. And just This has to cook, guys, for at least 1 hour. All right, and low, medium. Okay, medium flame. So it has to cook it slowly. All right. Very good. Looking good, guys. All right, it's almost. Right, let me put this here. Very good. Now let's store a little bit. Right. See how nice it's looking? Very good. Alright, so now I'm gonna cover. Alright, and it's gonna cook for at least 1 hour. Alright, so now my bread. See, guys? Looking good, right? Looking good. Now I'm gonna put my oven is already preheated, 350. Okay, let's bake this bread. It's gonna taste good. All right, bingo. See you in a little bit. Hey guys, all right, very good. Woo! All right, very good. All right. Woo! Hey guys, look at that. Finished product. Alright? Finished product. Alright? So now let's try to see it come out good. Let you know. Alright? Looking good. Looking good, guys. Alright. Okay, let's see. Looking good. Right? Guys, that is something. It's melting in my mouth. The meat, everything together. Alright? So let me try the bread. The garlic bread. Scratch it. Okay. Okay guys, I have to eat a little bit more because it's delicious. Delicious. Sorry about that, guys. But it's delicious. Very good, guys. Hey, guys, listen. You guys have a good weekend, right? Love you all.